let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it up.
Hi Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my everyday makeup routine. A lot of my subscribers have requested this video and I was like, you know, I don't know if I really want to do this video or not. I pretty much wear the same makeup every day and these are the products that I use and that I love so much. So if you'd like to purchase any of these products, check out the description box down below. Of course, I will have them all listed for you all and I hope that you all definitely enjoyed this video.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures and I find it hard to see you games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change your time. We got older, babe, yeah, but I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now, are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall, never fall. Promise me, promise.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain. Like I don't care, you're kidding me. Don't do that.
Also, the jumpsuit that I'm wearing is from Fashion Nova. If you watched one of my Fashion Nova hauls in the past, then you already know that. And if you have not seen it, I will link it in the cards. But this jumpsuit is so cute, so comfortable, and I just love the way that it hugs my body and my curves. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe, I don't mind.